The biggest surprise from Examrace to all the students, specifically for class 10th students entering 11th and 12th, is that we are now on YouTube Doorstep Tutor, and the special platform would help you understand and prepare for your competitive examinations. The common examinations that we would be catering are bitsat, JEE, NEET, KVPY, and more. So all those who are entering 11th and 12th have been with us from class 6th onwards on Examrace. We would appreciate that now you are there on Doorstep Tutor as our another channel for students going for science stream. For those who are with arts and humanities can stay back on Examrace. Those moving to 11th and 12th science, we welcome you all on our new platform, which is Doorstep Tutor. Here you would find all kinds of videos which are pertaining to the various competitive examinations, targeting specifically for physics, chemistry, biology, and mathematics. So the list of videos are available here. You can simply go and click subscribe and enable the bell notifications for more detail. See you with many interesting lectures. You can go on to playlist for NCERT 11th and 12th coverage and the regular videos which are updated here. Thanks for joining in.